Now let me talk about another important functions in arrays and strings. That is about the joins. Joins takes an array and returns a string. So for example, you have an array with the values 1 2 3 4 5, and you wanted to add a space between each value. Then you can use a join function to an array and load all these data into a string, into a common string. Earlier it was an array which showing a which was holding multiple values. Now you wanted to extract those everything and store it in a single string. Then you can use a function called join. In a similar way, you have a split function that can split the value, and it writes the data into an array. It is quite opposite to an array. I mean, join and splits are very much useful. So let me take some example and try to run this so that you can understand it more clear and more in details. So join functions here. In an array, I'm storing the values from 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm adding a delimited is the character, that is comma, so that when I try to print this string, so it will print uh, and with a single thing, with a single character, I mean within a single line. So let me save this. So before this, what we will do is we will print an array, print at the rate array, so that it will show you what are the different values it has, and now in string what values it get populated. So let me run this to clear screen, and what is the name of it? The name of it is join func. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 has been printed first, and then later it is printing this. So let me print this onto a new line so that we can understand it, the differences. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see a comma is there in the string. So that's how a join function work. And now let us look at the split function. Okay, so you have a days. It is also everything data is stored in a single variable, the opposite to the last one, and you are declaring an array, and in the array you are storing all these variables. That is split. So how do you split? Splitting by comma delimited, and what is a string variable, I mean variable name, that is days, and print at the rate arrays, so that it will print all these Sunday, Monday and Tuesday till Saturday. And I want to check the size of an array, since array is a new array variable that I have declared, and after that I'm trying to take the value from a scalar variable and loading it into it, and I want to check the length of it. So in order to check the length, you have a $hash array plus 1, and the size of an array is this, and I'm trying to print a specific array value based on the index. So let's get here and try to run the program. So another function is called as a split, splitfunc.pl. Here you go. So first, before any changes, after changing the values and after moving this scalar variable into an array variable, so I can see all the values. And then next, the size of an array is 7, and I'm now trying to print the third value of an array, that is Tuesday, that is being printed. This is wonderful, right? The split function is very, I can say it's extremely useful when you're writing any some complex script, or you might be expecting a single variable you might be receiving a data with a delimited file, and you wanted to extract those into your variables, multiple variables. Instead of getting loaded into multiple variables, simply use an array, and index components are there. So based on the index you can extract the value, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be coming up with more and more videos on Perl. Have a good day.